In this video, I want to show you how to do a force restart of your Samsung Galaxy A26 or A36. So unfortunately, these phones, you cannot simply hold the power button and do this, okay? Over here, Gemini opens. What you need to do is instead keep press the power button and at the same time volume down for around 10 seconds until the screen goes completely black. Then you can release these. So let me do it with you. Volume down and power button. I'm keeping both of these pressed. And even if I'm seeing this on the display, I'm not releasing these buttons. I'm waiting. The screen is black. I can remove my finger and the phone will do its thing. Don't touch anything. It will power on by itself. So in just a few seconds, you'll be able to use it back again. If you were having issues with your Wi-Fi or other features, let's say your screen was frozen, this is a great way to start to restart your phone. Nothing will be deleted. This is very important. It's not a reset, it's a restart, a reboot. So right over here, you can see the Samsung Galaxy logo. This phone takes around 2 minutes to be fully usable after doing what I just showed you. So leave your phone down on a table and come back in like 3 minutes. You'll be able to use it again, and fortunately your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment down below. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.